Long flights in economy can feel like a true test of endurance. The cramped space, the lack of privacy, and hours of sitting can make the journey challenging. But don't worry, I'm going to share 10 must-know tips to survive a long flight in economy to help you make the most of your time in the air. Whether it's finding the right seat, staying comfortable, or keeping your mind occupied, these tips will make your flight feel a lot more manageable. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on travel tips and hacks that will make your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Number 1. Choose the right seat. The seat you choose can make a world of difference when flying long distances in economy class. If you're someone who values extra space, opt for a seat in the exit row or bulkhead. These seats offer more legroom and can help you stretch out during the long journey. But be aware that some exit row seats don't recline, and airlines have strict rules about who can sit there. If you're traveling alone and need space to relax, a window seat might be your best option. Not only can you rest your head against the wall, but you'll also have a beautiful view to distract you from the endless hours in the air. On the other hand, if you prefer having the freedom to get up whenever you want without disturbing others, an aisle seat will serve you well. You'll be able to stretch your legs, use the restroom, and move around without bothering your seatmate. Before booking, use flight seating tools like Seat Guru to see reviews of specific seats on your plane. These tools can help you avoid bad seats and ensure you're choosing the most comfortable option available. Number 2. Dress comfortably and layer up. For a long flight, comfort is key, and what you wear matters. Opt for loose, breathable clothing that doesn't restrict movement. Consider wearing moisture-wicking fabric that will keep you cool, especially if you're prone to getting hot during the flight. Layering is also essential for staying comfortable, as temperatures can vary throughout the flight. Start with a comfortable base layer and then add a lightweight sweater or jacket that you can easily remove if it gets too warm. A scarf or shawl can also be a great addition, serving as both a blanket and a pillow. Remember, the cabin can get cold, so a warm, cozy layer will make all the difference in your comfort. For footwear, avoid tight shoes that might swell during the flight. Opt for something easy to slip off when you need to stretch your legs or walk around. Compression socks are also a great option to help with circulation and prevent swelling in your feet and ankles. Number 3. Bring noise-canceling headphones or earplugs. One of the most crucial things to bring on a long flight is noise-canceling headphones or a good pair of earplugs. The noise of the engines, crying babies, and constant chatter can make it hard to relax or sleep. Noise-canceling headphones are a game changer, as they can block out ambient noise, allow you to focus on your movie, music, or even sleep. While noise-canceling headphones tend to be expensive, there are budget-friendly options that still offer great sound quality and noise reduction. If you're not into headphones, a good pair of earplugs can work wonders, especially if you're trying to block out noise while you sleep. Many airlines even offer basic earplugs, but investing in a high-quality pair can make a significant difference in your comfort. Number 4. Move around regularly. Sitting for hours on end can lead to discomfort and even health issues like deep vein thrombosis, DVT, especially if you don't move around regularly. Make it a point to get up and stretch your legs at least once every couple of hours. Walking down the aisle, doing simple stretches in your seat, or even just standing up for a few minutes can help improve circulation and prevent stiffness. If you don't want to disturb others, try stretching your legs in the galley area or near the bathrooms. You can also use the time to visit the restroom, which gives you the opportunity to move around a bit more. Some airlines even have guided seat exercises available through their in-flight entertainment systems. Number 5. Use a travel pillow and blanket for better sleep. Getting rest during a long flight is essential to arriving at your destination feeling refreshed, but it's not always easy when you're in economy. One way to improve your chances of getting some sleep is to bring your own travel pillow and blanket. The pillows provided by airlines are often small and uncomfortable, so investing in a quality neck pillow can make a big difference. A memory foam pillow or an inflatable one can help support your neck and prevent stiffness. You can also bring a small blanket or shawl to keep warm, as the cabin can get chilly during the night. Don't forget to wear an eye mask and earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to block out light and noise. These small adjustments will help you rest more comfortably and wake up feeling more refreshed. Number 6. Take advantage of airline perks and upgrades. If you're flying long distance, it's worth looking into how you can make your flight more comfortable. Many airlines offer premium services like extra legroom, access to lounges, priority boarding, and more. If you're a frequent flyer, you may be able to use your miles or points to upgrade to a higher class or gain access to perks. Even if you don't have enough miles for an upgrade, sometimes it's worth asking about available upgrades at the check-in counter. You might be able to purchase a discounted upgrade to business or premium economy, which can make a huge difference in comfort. Some airlines also offer lounge access for a fee. While it may not be free, spending time in a lounge before your flight can help you relax, enjoy a meal, and use better restrooms before boarding. Number 7. Use compression socks for better circulation. Long flights often mean sitting still for long periods, which can impede blood flow in your legs and feet. To combat this, compression socks are a must-have item. These socks help improve circulation, prevent swelling, and reduce the risk of blood clots during flight. Even if you don't have any pre-existing health conditions, compression socks can be a great way to ensure you feel more comfortable and energized after landing. Number 8. Stay hydrated and avoid alcohol. Hydration is extremely important when flying, as the dry cabin air can quickly leave you feeling parched and dehydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water during the flight. It's best to avoid sugary drinks or alcohol, as these can further dehydrate your body. Alcohol can also disrupt your sleep patterns and leave you feeling groggy and unwell when you arrive at your destination. Try to bring a refillable water bottle through security or ask the flight attendant for water regularly throughout the flight. Number 9. Bring snacks and healthy food options. Although airlines provide meals on long flights, they often aren't the healthiest or the most satisfying. Packing your own snacks can help keep your energy up and ensure you have something tasty to munch on throughout the flight. Opt for healthy, non-perishable items that don't take up too much space, such as nuts, dried fruit, granola bars, or crackers. Avoid anything too salty, as it can make you feel bloated and thirsty. Number 10. Stay calm and be patient. Finally, remember that long flights in economy class are all about patience and mindset. Traveling long distances can be stressful, especially if there are delays or uncomfortable situations. However, staying calm and positive will help you get through the flight more easily. Bring along some calming activities like deep breathing exercises, meditation apps, or soothing music. Focus on your destination and think about the exciting things awaiting you upon arrival. And that's the full list of 10 must-know tips to survive a long flight in economy. I hope these tips help you stay comfortable and make your flight experience much more enjoyable. If you found these tips useful, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and advice. Safe travel.